Looking for a mesh Wi-Fi system that keeps up with your smart home? Welcome to Flicky Facts. The Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro with Wi-Fi 6E delivers faster speeds, broader coverage, and rock-solid reliability across all your devices. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how it can upgrade your connected life. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and an instruction manual. If you're interested, Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro with 6E, don't worry. I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Setup with app. First, download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store. To set up the Nest Wi-Fi Pro, first plug it into power and connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Wait for the light to pulse white. Open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, select Setup Device, then New Device. Choose your home, then scan the QR code on the bottom of the Nest unit. Follow the on-screen setup to name your Wi-Fi and set a password. Once done, the lights will turn solid white, meaning you're connected. Smart feature. If your speeds start to dip while streaming on movie night, your worries are gone before you know it. Nest Wi-Fi Pro monitors your network and solves common issues all by itself. Nest Wi-Fi Pro makes sure your connection is strong and consistent even at the edge of your network's coverage. Nest Wi-Fi Pro automatically manages network performance and activity to prioritize things like video calls, help websites load quickly, and keep everything running smoothly. With the new Wi-Fi 6E, Nest Wi-Fi Pro gives you combined speeds up to 5.4 gigabits per second, twice as fast as Wi-Fi 6. 3 separate bands, including an all-new 6 GHz band, help reduce interference to provide faster connections for more devices. One router provides up to 2,200 square feet of fast, reliable mesh Wi-Fi. And you can customize your setup with additional routers in the spots you need. Security features. Create a separate guest network and password for guests so you don't have to share yours. And if you see a device that doesn't belong, easily restrict access for unknown users on your network. With the Google Home app, you can block access to certain websites and explicit content. Set parental controls like Wi-Fi schedules, internet timeouts, and more at no additional cost. With secure booting and software updates, Nest Wi-Fi Pro helps to protect your network from hacks or other unauthorized software. Connected devices. Nest Wi-Fi Pro is built with Matter 4, the new universal standard that simplifies smart home compatibility. It connects and controls all your Matter devices, so they will work seamlessly with Google Home. Thread is the universal technology for keeping all your smart home devices connected. Nest Wi-Fi Pro has a built-in Thread border router to connect your Thread mesh network of smart devices to your Wi-Fi network. Control your Nest Wi-Fi Pro whether you're home or away. Use the Google Home app to check your network performance, keep track of connected devices, and more. Get more out of your Nest devices when they're all connected to Nest Wi-Fi Pro, like a stronger live connection to your Nest doorbell and faster 4K streaming on Chromecast with Google TV. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E. See you in the next one.